We all need to understand that the suppression of XRP is real. In more ways than one, this crypto has shown us that it's worth being in the top 10, and without a doubt, it's maintained that position. Currently, XRP ranks at number 8 after Solana and USDT, which frankly, I believe are just up there for a temporary time. So the actual position of this crypto is at number 6, which isn't the best, but it's not the worst. XRP has always been among the top cryptos in the market that you should always watch out for. And in this video, we're going to highlight some of the reasons why I believe that this coin is being suppressed. It's time for the festivities to begin, guys. Don't forget to join our giveaway, where we're going to be giving away $2,000 worth of XRP directly to your wallet as a thank you for helping us grow. You can check it out, get all the details in the comment section below for the requirements. The winner will be announced on February 1st in the video here on Moneyside. So buckle up and let's get started. Hello guys. Welcome to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way you get ensured that YouTube notifies you when we drop a new video. And if you're feeling a little generous and find this video informative, well, smash that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. For as long as I can remember, we've seen this coin go through a lot of suppression. XRP has been getting a lot of positive news, but the price of this coin doesn't reflect that news. Like for example, XRP has partnered with top dogs in the market, for instance, the Bank of America, which is a huge deal and should have moved the price up to even $10 or more. But the price of this coin barely made a move. What's more, the suppression continues despite the fact that the SEC doesn't even have a solid case against Ripple. Even after all that, the price of XRP is still under the dollar. Imagine if that happened to a crypto such as Doge. In fact, Doge's upward trend only first started when Elon Musk supported the coin. Granted, he is the wealthiest man on earth, but this coin got so much traction by a single good news. On the other hand, XRP has been having good news all year round, but the coin's price barely makes a move, and that's not all. This tweet, shared by Stefan W. Huber, says it all. Stefan points out that the fact XRP has outperformed Ethereum. People claim that Ethereum is better in terms of technology. It's more decentralized and the founders do not dump. But that's not the case. In a real sense, XRP has always outperformed Ethereum, and no one ever thought to look at the charts properly. Until the SEC decided to protect investors. Yep, you heard that right. The SEC, in their aim to protect investors from frankly nothing at the moment, they pushed Ripple down below the dollar mark. There's no such thing as protecting investors from something that doesn't cause harm to them. As a matter of fact, banks are actually partnering up with Ripple because the company has a lot to offer the financial system. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but I don't think that it's easy to sign a partnership with a bank, much less the central banks. That should have been the first thing the SEC countered on before going headstrong to attack a crypto that might be in the clear. But I personally think there's a lot going on behind the curtains that we are not aware of. John Deaton went on to share on Twitter on the matter. 1 year ago, apparently, John filed a writ of mandamus against the SEC. This is a judicial remedy in the form of a court order to any government employee to do some specific act which he or she is obliged to under the law. This was a string of tweets that we shouldn't ignore. John continued to say, like I said, it's a legal remedy that's not often sought. In fact, according to the DOJ website, that's the Department of Justice, mandamus is an extraordinary remedy which should only be used in exceptional circumstances of peculiar emergency or public importance. After reading the 79-page complaint twice, I realized XRP itself, i.e. today's token, was being attacked by the SEC, and I knew what that meant for innocent XRP holders. I believe this case was one of those exceptional circumstances of peculiar emergency or public importance. A writ of mandamus basically asks a court to order an officer or an agency to properly fulfill their official duties or correct an abuse of discretion. I believed 1 year ago and still believe today that the SEC abused its discretion by making allegations it simply cannot prove. The SEC may be able to prove that during the years between 2013 and 2017, when Ripple transferred XRP to a specific investor or entity, it involved a security. Any commodity can be offered, packaged, marketed, or sold as a security. XRP, Ethereum, gold, or Bitcoin could be sold in such a way. But what the SEC Gov is arguing in the Ripple case related to XRP itself is truly unconscionable. The SEC's position is the equivalent of arguing that oranges or the orange groves themselves were unregistered securities in 1946 in the Howey case. Candidly, it's shameful. But today, I still believe in it. The SEC absolutely lacks the good faith to stand up and argue that the XRP you or I purchased off Coinbase between February 2019 and January 2021 is an unregistered security. Don't forget, in January 2019, Coinbase, along with its sophisticated and experienced securities lawyers, met with the SEC and informed the SEC that Coinbase determined 2019's XRP not to be a security. And unless the SEC stated otherwise, Coinbase was listing XRP the next month. The SEC gave no reason for Coinbase to hesitate, and on February 28, 2019, Coinbase listed XRP and began actively trading it. But 22 months later, the Clayton-Hinman-led SEC, despite their comments to the contrary, claimed all XRP are securities. The string of tweets goes on, but basically I've highlighted the most important areas. Now, as you can see, it's not hard to notice that the SEC isn't trying to protect the public, but their own selfish interests. So they use this case to suppress the price of XRP. But here's the most interesting part. XRP is a fighter, and it's never gone down as far as they wanted it to go. And they can't hold this coin forever. Soon, XRP will go 100 times, and it will pass even Ethereum, guys. Just wait and see. That said, time now to take a look at the charts. XRP is currently in a reaccumulation zone. Make a note that it's a weekly chart, and it may take some time for the price to visit our buy zone. The patience right now is key. Now, we expect XRP to go parabolic in the third or fourth quarter of 2022. The long-term target is over $10. What may push the price so high? The Coinbase relisting or winning the case against the SEC. The catalyst will come and the price will surge. Drop us a comment below and check out the contest and let us know where you think XRP will be 1 year from now. Time now to take a look at Bitcoin. As unusual as it may be to chart an asset on the 2-day time frame, on this particular occasion it serves Bitcoin a great deal at assessing the current market situation. I will keep it short as the points this approach makes are few but clear. At the bottom, we have the 2-day RSI indicator, which has a higher lows trend line that offers support since late November 2018, which is basically since the bottom of the last bear cycle. Since then, the RSI has made contact with that trend line another 2 times, all of which have been respective bottoms on a yearly basis, March 2020 and May 2021. At the moment, the price is consolidating just above that 2-day RSI trend line, potentially forming the new support base. At the same time, we see that the 2-day MA200, the orange trend line, has contained the early December 2021 correction and is still holding since. Going back to the price action, it is obvious that this MA level has been the key support band for Bitcoin since it broke above it in May 2019. It held contact in July 2021 and May through July 2020 and November 2019. Notably, the only time it broke since the 2018 bear cycle was during the March 2020 COVID-led flash crash. But we can't really consider this a technical event as the meltdown was asset-wide and global and was driven by a once-in-a-decade event, the global pandemic. As long as both the 2-day RSI higher lows trend line and the 2-day MA200 hold, we have a strong case of a market bottom. As always, do your own research and remember, trade safely, guys. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. As always, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video. Please click on that subscribe button below. And don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time on Money Side.